Saturday the 10th of April, 3:15 in the morning. I'm heading to Diesel Dirt and Turf in Sydney, so I'm just about to make myself a coffee and then head to the airport. I'm going to try and film the whole day, so we'll see how we go. I'm speaking quietly so I won't wake anyone up. So I've just made it to the airport, parking, got my level 2, row A. I think we go this way, by the looks of it. I checked in online, because you can do that these days over the phone. I think within 24 hours of your flight or something, so I've done that. So I think I'll just have to go to security and get something to eat, if anything is even open. It's like 4:30 or something. So there we go. So I've just gotten to Diesel Dirt and Turf. Flew in, must have been a couple of hours ago now. Got an Uber from the what am I saying, airport. Good flight, slept all of it, which was nice. Just done a quick tour. I don't think I was supposed to get in the back way where I did, but went and saw my mates Luke and Joel at Dig a Lid. They're exhibiting up here, so I went and had a chat and did a bit of a tour before it actually starts. About an hour before it starts. Now I'm just going through the proper general admission and going in the proper way, and I'll show you around.
It could be up to 150 litres a minute. You can pass through the top hitch into the hammer. And that means you can go from hammer to bucket all day long. You never get out of the machine. Not just a big safety feature, but a hell of a lot of time saved, much higher productivity. Andrew here specialises in building block walls. So if anybody wants his card and they need to get a quote for a block wall at home, these blocks weigh about 600 kilos a piece and they're about $100 each roughly. And you can build you a rock wall in pretty quick time, including the excavations for the foundations, etc., drainage, a lot. The grapple on this machine is a Gardner grapple. It's actually a Korean grapple that Andrew bought in preference to the Encon one because he felt it was more versatile for the type of work that he does. So obviously he doesn't just do block walls, but he might be doing demolition or whatever. So in any case, any tool, whether it's a Korean grapple or any other make or model of attachment, can be set up to run.
just landed in Melbourne, back from Diesel Dirt and Turf in Sydney. It's been a pretty big day. It's like 8:15. Good flight, everything ran on schedule, but yeah, I'm absolutely rooted. Walked a fair bit, sun was out, got sunburnt pretty bad, but I'll edit all this together and upload it to YouTube as soon as possible, probably next weekend. So yeah, thanks for watching till this point, and see you on the next video. Cheers guys.